Hello kids, welcome to Fun Zone Juniors. Here, we have boat with animals. Oh no, where have all my animalists gone? Here, we have this mini zoo. And I found a hen, and its color is brown. Can you find a hen in our mini zoo? Yes, here it is. Let's put it here. And here comes this turtle. Let's open this and see what's inside. And here, I found a rabbit. Let's put it here. Wow! Here comes this mini truck. There are so many colorful marbles. And this is sheep. Let's put it here. And here, we have this green truck. Let's see what this truck brings for us. This is horse. Let's put it here. Wow! Look at this mini house. So cute. Let's see which animal is hiding inside. And here we have duck. Let's put it here. Can you find our next animal in this mini zoo? This is cow. Here it is. This is cow. Let's put it here. Can you see more animals in this mini zoo? Yes. Here I found a cock. And its color is orange. Let's put it here. Do you see any more animals here? Yeses. This is sheep. And here we have another sheep. Let's put it here. Wow! Look, here I found a goat. Let's put it here. Wow! A counting box. Let's open it and see which animal is hiding inside. Here we found a camel. Let's put it here. Wow! We have found all our farm animals. Thank you for helping me. Next, we have this wild animals board. Let's put them in their right places. This is elephant, and its color is gray. Where should I put it? Yes, right here. This is zebra. And let's put it here. This is bear. Where should I put it? Yes, here. This is monkey. Let's put it here. And here we have giraffe. Let's put it here. Can you guess its name? This is deer. Let's put it here. Wow! Look here. I found lion. Where should I put him? Yes, right here. And here, we also have tiger. Let's put it here. Can you guess its name? Yes, this is fox. Let's put it here. And here, we also have hippo. Let's put it here. And last, we have kangaroo. Let's put it here. Wow! Thank you guys for helping me. We have completed wild animals puzzle. Here, we have sea animals. Let's learn sea animals' names. This is hammerhead shark, and its color is black. And here we have lobster. Its color is orange. This is blue whale. Its color is blue. This is stingray. Its color is gray. This is crab. Its color is This is sperm whale. Its color is black. This is great white shark. Its color is light gray. This is starfish. Its color is light green. This is seahorse. Its color is brown.